What's up, YouTube? It's Cralisa Victoria. I'm back with another video. Okay, so let's just get straight to the point. In this video, I know that I have to, let's just start by saying that if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. If you've already been subscribed, thanks for coming back. I still have to clean my room. You guys know that I've been just like in a sequence of cleaning. I've already cleaned my kitchen thoroughly. I've cleaned my living room. I've cleaned the bathroom. And I think right now what's pretty much left is like closet / rooms type of thing. So basically, that would have been terrible. The charger's barely charging. So what I'm going to do right now on camera is I'm low-key getting my life. This is going to annoy me. All of this is going to actually annoy me. You can kind of see. Guys, this is really going to like freaking annoy me. Okay. Okay, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So while I'm on camera, I'm actually going to show you guys a little bit of my evening / nighttime routine. So today was pretty productive. I ran errands, handled business, phone calls, meetings. So what I like to do, especially the night before, is I like to look at my calendar. So I have several calendars, but this is one of my calendars. And I like to write in anything that I have not written in. For example, I have to host 2 open houses this weekend. So I'm going to write those down. I think it's 74. So I just basically like to write on my calendar. Sorry guys, I kind of left you hanging. I like to write anything that I know that I have coming up. So like, I already have my dates. And even though you know it here, and sometimes you have it on your phone calendar, I just like to physically write it because I know I'm going to check my calendar. This specific planner starts August of 2019 and it goes until December of 2020, so that's pretty unique because not every calendar starts August. So that's when this calendar started. Tomorrow is Friday. So yeah, my calendar's it's pretty full. I think, okay, I gotta verify my dentist appointment. My dentist appointment is next week. So yeah, like if you guys can see my calendar, pretty much, hold on. So guys, anyway, pretty much my calendar for October is pretty full. Like every single day just about has something on the calendar. Yeah, so now that I have everything written on my calendar, anything else that arises, I'll just write it in. I'm a little bit sleepy, so I don't know if I'm going to read tonight, but I bought this book at the Dollar Tree. It's about sisters. I forgot what it was about, but let's see. Dad was absent. Okay, so yeah, so basically they had a disconnected type of family. Dad was never really in their lives. Children went different ways, basically. I don't know. I don't always like to read the back of it because I don't want to know all of what it's about. Obviously, you don't want to just buy books randomly, so you do kind of want to glimpse at it, and then, you know, you don't want to get too into it because you want to read. So for this to be pretty long like this, like it's 300 something pages, 330, 325 pages or so. Yeah, it's like 330 pages. And to get this $1 at the Dollar Tree, it's called All of Us and Everything, Bridget Asher. Oh, All of Us and Everything, Bridget Asher. So I'm going to be reading this just for leisure outside of business books. I like to just read for pleasure because I've always loved reading. Low-key a little nerd. This video has pretty much gotten long. I also check my planner, my other planner, and I just make sure in my pocket I have me some additional business cards. So when I go out that day, this weekend, I need to have like a ton of business cards. So how did I get her business cards? Or business card? Let me take this out. It's almost time for me to get new business cards. Excuse me. It's almost time for me to get new business cards because I'm low-key about to run out very soon. But I'm going to check my briefcase bag, which I'm so sorry to the person who like actually follows my social media, my YouTube account. and I did a what's in my computer bag type of day before, and someone commented and asked me, where did I get what's the name of this computer bag? I can't tell you, I don't remember. I just know I got it from Kate Spade, and it's got that like canvas material, and it's just held up so well for me over time. I'm sorry, I can't be more of assistance. I'm telling you what I got. So yeah, I got this. I need more calendar pages though for this one. So I'm just gonna toss this in here. Oh, where's my little notebook? I just bought another little notebook, which I didn't get to do a Dollar Tree haul. I was gonna do one, but pretty much all I purchased from the Dollar Tree recently was this notebook, that book, and that was pretty much it. Oh, I was so close to getting this off without like leaving a mess. Okay, so basically I'm gonna have to get a wet cloth. You know, like, oh no, never mind. Hold on. I think we're getting somewhere. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have to get a wet cloth to get that smudged because it's gonna annoy me. Oh, there's another sticker on the back. Oh no. Ugh. Is it just me, or do y'all get like low-key anxiety trying to deal with leaving sticker pieces on your notebooks? Like, I can't stand it. So anyway, I'm not going to put myself through the most right here. I'm gonna have to clearly get a rag. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clearly get a rag and wipe the smudges off because they're gonna annoy me. So yeah, this is just a wide rule. I don't know how many. Well, it's not really that wide ruled, but kind of like wide rule. I would say there's probably about 100 pages or so in here. 100 to 150 in this spiral notebook, and I'm just going to add this to here. I'm gonna see if I can get it to fit. I don't think it will. So anyway, it's not gonna fit. So I'm just gonna actually, because I don't want to ruin that. I have a couple of these, they're just different. So I also got this one from the Dollar Tree, but this one's older. So it's already like pretty much, I've got so much in here. But just in case I have to do like a quick jolt down, I'll bring this one. So I'm gonna just nicely nestle it into here. You never want to be without paper for whatever reason, so like if I had to grab something, I know this is at least in the pocket. And then I'm going to close this up. So that's my calendar. Oh geez, I gotta create it. I just have to create a thumbnail. Oh no. I don't know, who knows what my thumbnail's gonna look like, but anybody else be like this, or is it just me? Try not to get them. Yeah, yeah, so I guess I'll figure out a thumbnail, y'all. I'm so tired. But yeah, so I was gonna make this video actually tell you guys what I picked up today in stores. But I realized that this video has gone to be very long. So I'm gonna conclude this video by doing my 5-minute prayer plan. I normally try to do this once a day. I don't recall doing it this morning. So if I forget or get caught up and don't get to do it in the morning times, a lot of times I like to just make sure I cover my bases at night. Okay, so that concludes it. Great 5-minute devotion. I normally say a quick prayer after, but I'm not going to right now just because I need to actually talk to Christ a little bit longer than normal tonight, and I'm not going to record that portion. So I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for the continued support and all of the positive comments that I get on my page. And yeah, I guess I'll see all of you beautiful people in the next video. If I can get out.
It's only 11 something.